Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on. Yeah man, upmove settings viewers and subscribers, welcome to the channel. Jaden Chase, I bring you the latest reasoning in a dancehall entertainment. Remember the man, I'm also a reminder to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like and a comment on the vlog. In truth, now Gaza Nation, Stefflon can finally say she get her Vybz Kartel feature viewers and subscribers. We all know Stefflon say Vybz Kartel is an artist she dream of working with. And while this was not a solo project, this was a feature for extension. She's still accredited on the track, and it is still saying she featured with Vybz Kartel. And Vybz Kartel definitely acknowledged her on the track. Him say, yo, I Selassie so we royal, Triple X crew so we loyal, big body broad girl come here. Now Stefflon viewers and subscribers, that description fit she to the T. Now go around the viewers and subscribers. That was definitely fair mention, even though it was not by name, it was by description. As a matter of fact, if it missed you, I don't know how could it, but listen to it and then read.
Triple X crew, so we loyal. Big body, fat pussy, broad gal, come here. Back it up, gal, boss a one. Bend up in a 10 and in a 9. Miami gal, Caribbean wine.
Yeah, we don't know how I could have missed you. That are definitely fair line viewers and subscribers. And Vybz Kartel also do something very unique in the track. Now the start on the track, as I said, the title of the track is Royalty, and him definitely show you why him consider himself royalty. You know what I mean? And what kind of royalty he compare himself to. Highly Selassie them type of royalty, you know what I mean? Black royalty viewers and subscribers. And then him go on for get Stefflon our feature viewers and subscribers. When I say gear our feature, bigger up in a somewhat way. You know what I mean? Make mention, talk about the girl them, talk about the woman them on the track. You know what I mean? As I say, describe her to the T. Very vivid description as well, as she alone as a female upon the track, and when you hear about the description, it definitely fit how she look. No going around that. You know what I mean? Man, go on for tell her, say, yo, different positions. You know what I mean? Go on, do your thing. Young Yardie with us say he's a real body bucker. And the Yankee with us say you a bad motherfucker. And that time with fair story as well. Because as I'm say, Stefflon being a UK based dancehall artist, you know what I mean? Father yard, people in my yard, she father yard already, and she do features with Jamaican artists. But she signed to a North American music label. And I them say she a bad motherfucker. Yeah, she signed to a North American based music label, viewers and subscribers. The same label where response for the Migos. You know what I mean? Yeah. At a QC, the label viewers and subscribers, quality control. So Vybz Kartel definitely viewers and subscribers, as I say, makes Stefflon feel special upon the track. Years now, as a matter of fact, from she had the music, she say she had dream of working with Vybz Kartel. If I even her name upon a track with Vybz Kartel, I don't know, maybe this might be the push where both camp need now for put together a song for themselves. Because upon the track, after Stefflon you hear Vybz Kartel. And as I say, Vybz Kartel verse, the opening lines definitely are something for the ladies. And as I say, you hear a lady before you hear theme verse. So when me hear it, I say, no, so them that do good together, then that definitely do very well together. Pana track viewers and subscribers. Nicki Minaj can't hold it over Stefflon head no more. I say, yo, oh, you say you're Jamaican. You don't have no feature with Vybz Kartel. I remember, Nicki has been featured with her. She have a solo project with she and Mov, and then she featured with Stylo G with Vybz Kartel. So you know what I mean? She just said she work with the legend, the general them for the new age in a dancehall music. She can say that. Now Stefflon can say that as well because she have her thing Diamond Body with Movada as well, and now she can say she depend on royalty, one of the biggest hip hop reggae dancehall, UK dancehall, Afrobeat type track you will ever hear, viewers and subscribers. One, because extension is no longer with us, so you're not going to replicate that. You know what I mean? Yeah, unless it was a track, a verse where him already record, there will be no replicating this type of track because extension is no longer with us, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, no longer with us. But as I may say, definitely a good look. UK dancehall, as I know, UK dancehall, I wait for something like this. Years now. We see the notoriety, the success with Stylo G track get. And Vybz Kartel verse on that track was also one of the most talked about verses ever. And the same that track them do exactly what I'm doing at this too. Different wordplay, different scenarios, different flow, completely different creativity. But what I'm do is pan that track them, big up style of them, big up England and big up Nicki Minaj in a verse. Vybz Kartel verse them definitely sound like complete songs from them own. Some people that credit that to the songs them being already recorded and the verses being added. Yo, me no want to get into that and stop trying to get to talk about it. But all me can say is, yo, the artist verse them not normal. And when people hear it every time, me myself personally hear a Vybz Kartel verse on a feature, me I say, yo, Jano, this should be a song for itself. Anytime you hear somebody can be featured on a track, and the audience I say, yo, Jano, I wish that song was a single with the artist alone. Because I love to hear what Vybz Kartel do for the rhythm, for the whole duration of the rhythm. Because them give me a good section of the rhythm, you know. Because them realize that the man say, yo, beside 10 taxi and pull up on them and them like taxi man was when a spray cologne was play a hot metal drum, man. Yo, I'm not normal. And normal viewers and subscribers, as I said, this is the first evaluation. And for now, I would just point out the fact say Stefflon and viewers and subscribers finally get our Vybz Kartel feature. Is definitely an artist in the UK. When I ram say a Gaza, I say, even though she work with diverse members of the dancehall fraternity. You know what I mean? But she has always been outspoken. So, yo, Vybz Kartel are her favorite dancehall artist. She never try to take it back. And she said on some of the biggest platforms, some of the biggest radio stations. This is another some interview she will say with somebody or she will go live and say it, you know what I mean, and then take it down or know and say it can be deleted by itself. No, this is an interview where she state them statements, make them comments, the public comments, and say, yeah, Vybz Kartel the artist when me dream for work. The last time I see Ebro ask her at one big radio host in New York. The G said, who your favorite, who are the dancehall artists we wish to collaborate with? And she didn't even think about it for a split second viewers and subscribers right away. Mama said, Vybz Kartel, there is no doubt in my mind. A Vybz Kartel. She didn't even think about it for a split second viewers and subscribers. She just give the answer with upon her mind, the answer was most truthful to she, Vybz Kartel. So for see her, which we already know she got up on the track, but for see it finally debuted on the street so we can see her. See the reaction where other people have from it. Because you don't know we have vlogs, so more we'll give a certain preview and we'll pay attention to certain things about the dancehall industry where regular viewers and listeners wouldn't really pay no mind until it become the big official story. So know that the song up on the YouTube platform and millions of people are sing about it, millions of people are review the track because of extension that, as I say, them on the Vivo page have 2.2 million subscribers. 2.2 million subscribers. So that alone I bring you a viewership where, you know what I mean? Not normal. If you notice, majority I'm track them, whether it's just audio or music video, then they're over the 20 million and the 30 million mark. And a normal youth. Plus, as I'm say, him no longer with us, so that definitely make people more nostalgic. That make people more, you know, them kind of the Elvis Presley effect, the Michael Jackson effect. You know what I mean? When they're there, people see you and see your greatness, but when they're gone, yo, them see it even more. And since extension gone, people just acknowledge him creativity even more. You know what I mean? I'm not telling a lie. The G have some DJ style I'm gonna follow out with. Yo, hip hop never ready. Nobody else in hip hop never really can just readily copy them style. Them can try, but the fact same father was actually Jamaican. Him kind of have a street credibility where some other people wouldn't really have. They just sound like them attack with an accent and them a copy. The fact same actually have yard blood. They must say, you as a Yaki man, I say royalty. It's in our bloodline. Now, I mean, dancehall music, definitely in a extension bloodline. Yeah, more while I have a try for pronounce the G name right, give him a right pronunciation, or annunciation of his name in our one blog. You know the something go? Yeah, more I see it cause people trouble. Yeah, the pronunciation, it's somewhat French, Jamaican, Chinese and made up at the same time. Yeah, because it's a youth who make up his own word. He have a word like gecko then. I make up that. It's a youth who do all them things. They're very creative individual as I today. As I said, boy, it's like you have ADHD. Very creative. Now viewers and subscribers, the latest reasoning that, and as I said, this have evaluation number 1. The next one will not be evaluation number 2. It will just be the next evaluation. You know what I mean? So stay tuned for that, viewers and subscribers. Jaden Chaser bringing the latest reason of dancehall and entertainment. I don't know, we have a different analytic look on what go on. We not just repeat the song tune. We are point out high points. We are point out out ramifications, we are point out implications, we are point out the achievements them, we are point out the mark where the song them are make. This was definitely a hit from the preview drop. Nobody never had a question and ask, just to the names on the feature. So viewers and subscribers, drop your comment in the comment section. We know on the field Stefflon done finally get our Vybz Kartel feature. Viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel prove himself once again. Royalty in the artist bloodline. And I ask somebody, I tell no. Jaden Chaser bring the latest reasoning, viewers and subscribers. Subscribe icon, bell icon, I say stay notified. Comment section, leave a like. Until the reason again, I'm out.